Una, good morning. Yes, Nasi Bunke, good morning. I just show if you just join us, we won't share the grace very soon. But no worry, you see, follow us on top of our last discussion this morning. We want to discuss Nigerian content and how people, when we say they outside Nigeria, they accept. I know sometimes we say we they produce for here, we're in a comedy, I've been a musical. Sometimes, in a case of say we, now we they understand them. So they give them as we take understand. But now we don't go global. Shout out to Burna Boy and a Wizin Kid. We don't carry our music. Even the video itself. They recognize the music for the outside. Team one, the same thing as well. We get guests who say we go join us now via Skype. Akuche, now content creator and artist. It's sweet to say you join us on top of our show this morning. I'm here in Edewo, 9-day inside studio this morning. We could just get straight to the point. Akuche, now one thing for us to produce our own content, now nothing for people when we say they're not be Nigerian to accept them. How do they feel us for that side?
They feel us well. Right now, the next way you call, they take Afrobeat music to another level. So it's not anything new now. The sound is so, and it's different from the so when they hear it, they want they part of them. Sound is not new anymore.
Okay. So speaking about the way they say they accept the music, you feel say they really understand what they put out? Because people feel just they like the beat. They say, oh, I like this music, I like this beat. Do they connect to the lyrics the way they connect to them, way they understand them for here?
Some people they connect them, but not everybody. Some people they ask it mean, because most of our music on that tone, maybe something or somebody talk about what happened or they talk show or present. Sometimes they would get curious to ask think they talk for music because it has a lot of almost as if they get spirituality with one. Take for example, right? You don't be listening to Fela, right? You won't know what
Fela they talk, yeah.
A lot of community that they ask.
Okay, it's good, Sha, because we they talk and say some kind times the way they accept their own music, because for Nigeria, the way they collect people things with they outside, it be like say we sabi carry them, come make them our own, we come they use them pass the people where they make them. So I want they ask whether themselves they take our own music, they enjoy them the way we self they carry their own, they put for head. They're speaking about the way they carry their own things. Say they put our own for charts, they do better review with our music and all these kind of things. It happen for that side too.
For where me I did, it's coming. It's not. We never reached it yet. It come. Enter small. For example, Zara's couple of weeks ago, one of the biggest mall, and they play one of our artist music. So what are you talking about? They play with other big Hollywood music. So I feel like it's mainstream small. We never reach. Maybe go day like Billboard track or say, but I mean talk about 20 years ago. You say our music way. So we are getting there.
All right, I mean, get a question, but owing to this as the audio day right now, I know go fit to actually throw that one in. But Akuche, thank you so much, of course, for joining us on the show this morning. The audio, the thing they disappeared for some parts as EB, but we don't get the idea. Say yes, our music, our content, they globally accepted, and if nothing else, so prove to that point, we don't get a word on top of the matter. Don't be say we just they feel for inside party. No, they don't carry our matter on top their head. Yes. On that note, rest of the day we will end this morning edition of the Bunga Good Morning Nigeria show. Today really they packed the given to you from politics to something when concern your health as per I matter. To asteroid when say does they float on your own, they go to a day when watch match today. But so don't talk and say a person I can go watch a match. You know the person who score.
Democracy.
You know Sabi.
See, for me to know the coach name.
Come over there.
Which me say na my guy.
Say na.
Na Chevchenko now. Now both of us go school together.
No, my name now Onyi Sunday. You can follow me across all social media handles. Why Edewo and in schoolmates they still they relate for inside in mind. For all my new followers, I really thank you. I appreciate you. Make sure they watch this show every morning 7 to 9 a.m. on top of this very station. I follow at La Poche, yes. Now then they're responsible for this longing here. When make me resemble your moja this morning.
I beg to all my football fans, then where all of us they watch football like they see now with too much. Euro day on, no na they watch them on top as well Max TV. Now on normal. Follow me on top social media at Edewo10. I did here. We will see as the things they happen. To all the bad belly people them, we think say will not go support football this season. A lie. we have changed. We are for you. So that they fit do me endorsement, football endorsement. Are they ready?